Alright, this is my bike check for the Fault BMX bike team. So, starting from top, I have brown gum ODI grips, demolition rig bars and 9.25 rise, Assault Plus stem. It's just because I couldn't really afford anything else. I have a Nico headset. I got GT forks in black, just a GT wheel, fit TA tires 2.3 in both. I got my BSD beverage frame, a pivotal fit bar stool seat, just a Haro pivotal seat post, Odyssey LaGuardia sprocket with Salt Plus cranks in the bottom bracket, with Odyssey twisted PC pedals, with and then I also have a Shadow Analog V2 chain, going to a Fiend Free Coaster hub, and that is laced to an Alienation bullshit with 58 tires.